Alright, today is Sunday, July 8th, I think. Let me look. Yeah, July 8th, about 9:07 in the evening. It's got to 86 degrees again today. And, well, before we go any farther, here's my boy. Say hi, boy. Say hi. Say hi. And he wanted his buddy scratchy, so he gets his buddy scratchy. Okay, Daddy, be right back. Daddy, be right back. Alright. Well, it was too hot to really do anything. I tried. But the heat done me in again. But I got a couple things done this weekend I wanted. Well, hopefully by next time I put an update up, that pile of wood that's sitting right in this area, let me walk over here. All this hopefully will be gone. What I mean by gone, I mean split, because Saturday I finally went and I looked at it last Sunday. Saturday I went and picked it up, brought it home. Only thing I had to do was put some starter fluid, spray starter fluid in the carburetor and buy a battery. It fired right up. I split a few logs and got that done. At the size of it, I'm estimating it's a 30 or 40 tonner. They didn't know. I really don't know offhand either, but it works. So I'm happy I've got a log splitter. I've got to figure out, tear it off, and why the start key doesn't start it, but that's okay. I've got a battery. I know how to jump it to get it started. The battery it needs, I've got to put it in. Might get a new battery box and reposition it somewhere else. But now I got a log splitter, and I got my push mower out today. I cleaned this area up a little bit more. There's a few logs in there I gotta get to. And, well, let's go take a look at my garden of weeds. Let's see what it looks like now. Now, I worked on it, last update was about 2 hours. I worked on it for about a half an hour Saturday night until it got too dark, and I either had a dead pepper plant or I pulled it up. Well, where I threw my weeds, I couldn't see it, so I assume it was dead. But let's see, that's what it looks like so far. Like I said, I think over here I got all that looks like corn stalk, so I might have corn, I might not. I'll just plant more corn seeds and see what happens. My these are my watermelons, I think, coming out. I just gotta watch where I walk. And let me get back in here. See, I got a bunch of it weeded because it went to here where I stopped at. Then the other night I came back in, Saturday night I weeded all this. And I got a watermelon here. I know I got a couple more watermelons somewhere. Now I gotta do is weed up this way some. But I've got them clear over here. I found a pepper, which I gotta take in. And I was eating it while I was weeding. I made it over to my tomato plants. And so now I've got almost done here. I just gotta weed up through and stake these up. And yeah, I found another pepper plant which desperately needs watered. There's one. There's a pepper plant, if I'm not mistaken. There's a pepper plant. Here's a pepper plant. I just don't know where my tags are in some of these. I'll just hope. So now I got herbs over here in this area I've got to get. There's an herb. Yeah, I got so many tomato plants that even came up on their own. There's another watermelon. I've just got to go through here. There's onions in there too. There's an herb bush. I'm just trying to go through and be careful where I walk. Here's another tomato plant. As you can hear, I get eat up real bad when I come out here. I think it's because of the high grass. Somewhere up in here, here's another pepper plant, I think. Here's another one, I think. I've got to be real careful when I weed this area. I've got so many tomato plants. But, hey, it's coming. And I know somewhere down here in this area, that's a weed. That's a weed. That's a weed. I know I saw an onion somewhere around here. You gotta be careful when I pull. I don't see my onion now. This one I think died, but it was hanging up, so it was probably dead. I just gotta be careful weeding in here. Oh, there's a cucumber. If you see it, it's right there. Right above my finger, right in front of my finger, right below my finger. But this is, ooh, I can pull that. I thought it was a part of a, I got too many tomato plants. All right, well, I'm gonna put you on hold. All right, I don't know how well you can see this, but we just got done weeding this area. I just can't handle it anymore. I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes really bad. They're really biting. So I can't do it anymore. It's the best time, but I'm gonna have to buy me some off or get some good mosquito repellent. All right, well, let's see if I waste enough time and see if my clocks are ready to chime. Yes, my house still looks like a pigsty. It just gets too hot to burn. And that's what it is, and all I want to do is burn. I gotta clean up still around my rider. I don't know how well you can see it. But once I get that, hopefully this weekend I'll have that fixed and running again. I'm sorry if you guys don't see me. I didn't expect to be out here that much longer after I started. But then I started pulling weeds and went wild till I couldn't handle the mosquito bites anymore. And let me give you guys another shot of Rockstar. Let me see how much time is left before my clocks chime. There's Rockstar. Oh, yeah. Alright, I'll just pause you guys and wait about 7 minutes. Alright, bye. Alright. One of my clocks, there goes. That's 3/4 of the hour. This one's still got about another 5 minutes. But it's running behind. I gotta wind them too. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.